G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is December 13, 2022. This is the S&P 500 update. As you can see here on the CCI 1500, we're still in a pretty strong downtrend, although the Stochastic 100-200 is starting to bounce off the oversold territory on the daily chart. On the 4-hour chart, the CCI is broken up and continuing in an uptrend, and it's in alignment with the Stochastic, which has reached the overbought territory actually. Since our last update, it's starting to turn down. On the hourly chart, the CCI is testing the moving average and broken up through there slightly, and the Stochastic is turned up from the midpoint as well. So a bit of a conflicting status on all sides, but let's just see what it looks like if we draw a trend line from these points on the daily and on these lower points down here as well. You can see there it's in a wedge with these diagonal trend lines, and we need to see it either break down from there to confirm a further downward shorting environment, or continue up and break to the upside if it's going to test the upper moving average on the daily. The 4-hour chart likewise, if it breaks down past that trend line, it'll start testing the moving average on the CCI. So at the moment it's predominantly a shorting, overall long-term shorting environment according to the daily, but we may see some retracement to the upside in the coming hours and days before potentially either breaking above or breaking down. So probably hold off any positions at this point until we get a confirmation outside of this wedge. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. The reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.